Has a customer placed two separate orders and asked you to combine them to save on shipping? In this video, I'll show you the best practice for handling this common request. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. While Shopify doesn't have a single combine button, you can achieve this by using the edit and transfer functions to merge the orders. The safest method is to create a new draft order that contains all the items from the separate orders. From the Orders section, click Create Order and add the customer. Then, manually add every item from both original orders into this new draft order. Once the draft order is created, you can email the invoice to the customer for payment. After payment, you can fulfill this new combined order. Finally, you should cancel and refund the original two separate orders to keep your financial records clean and avoid double charging the customer. A crucial pro tip: always communicate clearly with the customer throughout this process. Let them know you've created a new combined invoice and that their original orders will be refunded. This prevents confusion and builds trust. And just like that, you've provided excellent customer service by accommodating their request. Combining orders manually ensures accuracy and clear records. Have you found an easier way to handle combined orders? Share your workflow in the comments. To manage your stock, watch our next video on how to hold inventory in Shopify. Thanks for watching.